Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will look at the multiple choice questions in chapter 5 of the Java book. Now, this is the Pearson website, and pearson.com/Liang. You can look at all the books, and this is for the Java book, the 12th edition. So I'm going to open this and go to the companion website. Look for student self-test questions. Now, this is chapter 15. All right, so let's look at the first question. A Java FX action event handler is an instance of, so here, this event handler. A Java FX action event handler contains a method. The method is this public void handle action event E. A Java FX event handler for event type T is an instance of, it should be event handler. So this is the event handler, Java FX event handler for event type T. So this is T. Which of the following are the classes in Java FX for representing an event? So here we have the for representing event, the action event, mouse event, key event, and window event. So those are all the classes in Java FX for representing an event. To register a source for an action event with a handler, you use with action event, use source dot set on action. So it should be and this set on action handler. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? A handler object files an event. No. A source object files an event. That's right. Any object, such as a string object, can file an event. No. A handler is registered with the source object for processing the event. That's right. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? A button can file an action event. A button can file a mouse event. That's right. It's actually a button is a subtype of the Windows event. So a button can file key event, and also that's true. A text field can file an action event. So this is all true. Question, the next one. Which of the following statements are true? A scene, and this is misspelled here is same. Can file a key event. A node can file a mass event. A node can file a key event. True. A scene can file a mass event. Now, I'm going to select this as saying yes, can file a key event. So this is all correct here. And which of the following statements are true? A ship can file an action event. True. A ship can file a mass event. A ship can file a key event. A text is a ship. That's true. A circle is a ship. So these are all so I think this is true here. A ship can file an action event. So that's probably not true. So we're going to check it back and see if this is, we can go to check the reference and look at the diagram for the event. So here in the book, so if you look at the book in the, let's go back to double check on this and see the, see the table 15.1. So you can see here so what you can do with this, a ship, so can a ship file action event? So because the node, so a ship is subtype of node. Node cannot file action event. So, and this is not true. A ship can file an action event, no. So only a button can file action event, text field, a radio button, checkbox, a combo box. So there's a things. Look at the table 15.1 in the book. All right, next question. Which of the following statements are true? Inner class can make programs simple and concise. So that's probably true. And inner class can be declared public or private, subject to the same visibility rule applied to a member of the class. That's true. An inner class can be declared static. Static inner class can be accessed using the outer class name. A static inner class cannot access non-static members of the outer class. That's true. An inner class supports the work of its containing outer class and is compiled into a class name, outer class name, $ inner class name dot class. That's also true. Next question, suppose A is an inner class in test. A is compiled into a file named test $A. So that should be B. Which of the statement is true about a non-static inner class? It must implement an interface. No. It is accessible from other class. No, it can only be instantiated in the enclosing class. No, it must be final if it is declared in a method scope. No, this must be true. It can access private instance variables in the enclosing class. Yes, that's true. Non-static inner class. All right, let's look at the anonymous class handler. Which of the following statements are true? An anonymous inner class is an inner class without a name. True. An anonymous inner class must always extend a superclass or implement an interface, but it cannot have an explicit extends or implements clause. That's right. An anonymous inner class must implement all the abstract methods in the superclass or in the interface. That's true. An anonymous inner class always uses the no-out constructor from its superclass to create an instance. If an anonymous inner class implements an interface, the constructor is this. That's right. An anonymous inner class is compiled into a class named outer class name with this $, and so that a number. So depending on the number of inner classes, you get the number here. So that's right. Suppose A is an anonymous inner class in test. It's compiled into a class file named. So this is the possible one here. $. I think it should be this. Is the $. This is the $, not the ampersand here. All right, look at the this program here. Analyze it. So here's the program. We have button, and we have the register this action. And so with this button, anonymous inner class, and here set this button to the same, and this. All right, so here, the program has a compile error because no handler are registered with this. No, that's not true. The program has a runtime error because no handler. No, that's not true. The message, the OK button is clicked, is displayed when you click the OK button. So when you click the OK button here, this is that's possibly is true. So let's look at the handle method is not executed when you click the OK button because no handle is registered with no, that's the actual register. So that's the one. All right, so let's analyze this program here. So here's the program. We have the button, there's two buttons, OK and cancel button. So this is OK and cancel here. This is the handler, and this is the anonymous inner class. Here the OK button is clicked. So you have two handlers here. You actually have one handler, and for this OK button using this handler, and the same handler is used for the cancel button. All right, so here, let's look at this question. When clicking the OK button, the program displays the OK button is clicked. That is true. When clicking the cancel button, the program displays the OK button is clicked. That's also true. When clicking either button, the program displays the OK button is clicked twice. No, it's only one time. It's not two times. The program has a runtime error because the handler is registered with more than one. No, you can have the same handler registered with multiple sources. All right, let's test, see if we get all these answers correct. So I'm going to check now. Oh, we got this, all this now correct. So everything is now correct here. All right. That is all for this first part of multiple choice questions in chapter 15 of the Java book. We will look at the rest in the next video. Goodbye.